kind of help me out here because I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm going to make a cocktail I've never tried before. I've never made before, but it's something I want to try. And I think you know where it's from. This one is from Disneyland, from the Lamplight Lounge. It's called The Final with a Fix. I don't know how I feel about that name. Final with a Fix? Maybe finale? Like end of the movie show? Final with a Fix. To me, that sounds really strong. I mean, there is tequila in there, but for me, tequila it's never too strong. So, I don't know, we'll see. All right. I'm going off of a recipe I found online, and to think about it, I can't even remember where I found the recipe. I just have my little notes here. So if it's wrong, don't blame me. I'm just going off of what I found. These are the measurements I found. You know, let's just do it together. All right, so we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of tequila. I think it said reposado. I don't have reposado blanco. I have a feeling the reposado is going to have to do with the color because it's supposed to be really, really, really red. And it didn't say add any grenadine. So let's see if I have to add it at the end. I have a feeling I might. So, oh God, don't get too excited. Ah! 1.5. Okay, so that's 1.5 of tequila. Oh, my finger. You're my friend. Don't do that to me. Oh, yeah. Anyways, so now we're going to do, it says 1/2 ounce of raspberry liqueur. That has to be most of the coloring. There we go. Yay. And then it says about 1/2 of this of the orange liqueur, 0.25. So that's, yeah, that's half. I failed the math, leave me alone. Okay, so that's about half orange liqueur. And then it says 0.75 of lime juice. So we're gonna go here. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Going a little smoothly. And then the same amount of simple syrup or agave nectar. They said agave nectar. I have simple syrup. Use what you have. Okay, a little spillage there. And then it says a dash of mezcal. I don't know what a dash is, and I have a heavy hand, so I am going to have to measure it. So 1/2 of a half. It's a dash. 1/2 of a half. 1/2 of a half. That seemed like a dash. I don't know. Okay. Close. So dark in here. This is not the red that I saw in the picture. It was a bit more red. But we will see. So let's put some ice in here. Okay. Should I just add the grenadine? Because it doesn't, if you've seen pictures, it's like really, really like red. I might as well. I'm just going to add the grenadine. So if we did like a dash of mezcal, I'm just going to do like a dash of grenadine so we can match the color. Because I did not have yellow tequila. So I'm sure that counts with the color. Like it's supposed to be almost red like this. That was not red like this. Okay. All right. So let's give it a go. I have 2 glasses. I have this one with little Mickeys on it, and then I have this one. It's usually served, from what I've seen, in like the plastic glasses. Why not? Alrighty. Well, I'm shaking it up and I'm fill this with ice. Double duty. think that's enough. Let's see. Right. It's still not red like the picture, but I think color isn't what we aim for in a Disney cocktail. I mean, presentation is like, duh. But I think it's the flavoring. So I've never tried it, but let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. It's really fruity. I can definitely taste the raspberry liqueur, a tiny bit of that. I can definitely use more tequila myself. Maybe it was the simple syrup really brought out the fruitiness, well, the flavor profiles of the raspberry and the grenadine. I want more of a dash. Because that's what I like. I like mezcal. You're making it at home, do what you like. Yep, that's better. That's definitely better. If you like something really, really fruity and you kind of taste the alcohol, do it like I did before. If you want to taste more of the alcohol, add a little bit more, especially if you have kids screaming like my neighbors downstairs. You could hear that in that video. It's not mine, it's the people downstairs, which is why. And that's where my practice of dealing with screaming children in the parks come from. This wakes me up, and then they wake me up at the park. But anyways, here's the final with the fix by me. Cheers.